Hi there, it's Ryan Haley, and today I wanted to come to you with an announcement about something that we're participating in here at Atlantic Shores Realty, and that is that we are currently collecting PJs or pajamas as well as gift cards. This is in support of a child at one of our local schools here that's in class with one of my daughters. That's the fifth grade class, and her name is Brianna. Brianna was diagnosed with acute myeloid leukemia here 3 years ago and has been fighting it courageously ever since. But in support of her and the cause Casey Cares Foundation, we are collecting these PJs here, and we're an official site to collect those at Atlantic Shores Realty. The Casey Cares Foundation provides movie nights for families that are going through similar situations where they have a child who is battling cancer, and they provide PJs, movies, and snacks to those families because they're not able to actually go out and enjoy a movie night out. So they have to do it at home. So the Casey Cares Foundation puts these packages together and delivers them to these families. And we're something we certainly want to help and support. So for more information on that, please click on the links below. And once again, we're collecting these PJs, so anything you can do to help would be greatly appreciated. Thanks so much.